Got my McLeod 1300 series hydraulic throwout bearing and hydraulic clutch pedal actuator for 67 Pontiac Firebird. You know, it's been nothing short of a nightmare. First of all, if you're going to buy this system, you really should rethink it. It's been just a pain in the ass. I don't know what's going on over at McLeod Racing. First of all, I got a throwout bearing. The first time were the holes through the front plate. There's actually two plates here. You can see they got them zip tied together here for shipping purposes. But the outer hole's bigger than the inner hole, so the result is the bolts don't go all the way through the throwout bearing. And you know, the first part of the instructions are to bolt this throwout bearing on the front of your transmission. So if you look, you know, even the slotted ones. So I called them and I let them know, and I guess they're playing stupid because I sent the bearing back and got a replacement, and it's the same deal. So they told me, you know, take a rat tail file and file that out. Yeah, I would still be filing. You know, so anyway, so now I've accepted the fact that I will be running a drill down through this bitch if I'm going to use it. So brings us over to, I'll show you the rest of the kit, to the next issue. I got to run a McLeod pedal. Not really too happy about that. I mean, I like my Pontiac pedal that's been in the car for like 40 years. Here's their little cylinder. Looks pretty good. But if you come down, you know, they get fancy. Here's my line, but then we come to this quick release fitting, real fancy. I need a quick release fitting, you know, for my clutch pedal. Definitely going to be quick release in my throwout bearing all the time, probably. But the funny thing is, they give me half a quick disconnect. I don't have the other half. Here's the paper they give me, showing me, oh yeah, this is how you do it, dude. Quick connect. So I have to connect to the clutch cylinder here, and I got no other half. They sent me the release, or the actual clip, or whatever it is to hold it together, or release it. I think it's a release clip, a tool. But got a little bit fancy here and give me half of a quick disconnect. So like I said, so now I'm going to be dinking around trying to get either my other half of the hose, or actually what's pictured in their kit. And if you look at the photo right here, you just see the regular hose, no quick disconnects. The fuck? Ridiculous. So here I am. I got a car sitting here. I want to put the motor in. It's been like 2 weeks playing around with this stupid thing. Not to mention, you know, I got to take off the front of my transmission. There's a nut. I got to take that off and grind it down. So this isn't a direct fit at all for the Firebird. It can be, you know, worked and made to work, but it doesn't fit the Muncie M21. And your hose kit's incomplete. It won't get you all the way to where you need to go. You'll be missing some parts, I guess. I don't know.